All right, let's talk about how you can sort alphabetically in Excel. Now, this is pretty straightforward. Basically, the first thing you need to do is add a filter. Now, what we want to do is we want to select the heading for all the rows or columns that we want to be sorted. So, for example, we have first and last name here with ID, salary, and tenure. We want to sort by first name alphabetically. So, we don't want just this column to be sorted. We want, if Doug drops down here alphabetically, we want all of Doug Scott's information to follow him. So we need to select all the information we want to be sorted with those names alphabetically. So then we'll go up, then hit data, filter, and that's going to add these little drop down arrows onto the cells or onto the headers. So if we wanted to sort by first name, we would hit this little drop down, and then we would sort A to Z. And then that's going to automatically sort all of those first names alphabetically. But let's say we actually wanted to sort by last name alphabetically. We can then go to this column where the last name is located, hit that drop down, and then sort A to Z. And you'll notice that all the information in that row will follow that person. And then you simply clear or unselect the filter to make that go away. And that's how you can sort alphabetically in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and smash the like button before you go. I really, really appreciate that. Thank you, and just have a great rest of your day.